breakfast now. It's the next morning. Wearing a different outfit. But let's see how good this breakfast is at this chain. Alright, breakfast was pretty mid. We're gonna head back to the room and just plan out our day. I think we're gonna have a beach day, but again, we'll see. Alright, we're heading up now. We're going to the beach to swim. We're just gonna go stop at a couple other places first and pick up a couple things, but taking the pocket back out. I actually have all my cameras with me, but just using the pocket for now while we're out here. We're here at the Moby Dick's restaurant. Just gonna do some takeout, so we still get to the beach on time. Let's see what they got and what I'm gonna get. It seems like they have a gift shop, so let's just walk in and see what this is all about here. Neat little store in here. It's got a lot of just random, not random, but like just stuff I wouldn't get in here. It's a shop. It's got everything, Alright, we have made it to the beach. I just switched over to the Nikon for this part, but I'm gonna go get changed over there, and then we're gonna head to the beach. From then, I will switch to the GoPro. Alright, we've now moved to Race Point Beach just to see if this one is less rocky, more of regular sand, I guess. So. I've been wearing sunglasses so long that I can't even go without them anymore. So now we put the sunglasses back on. I got out of the water. Now it's extremely cold because I haven't been in it. It's normally, it's probably around 60 degrees-ish, maybe 70. But it's only 70 degrees out here, but the water's freezing unless you actually get in it. But, I took as many pictures as I can. I need to buy another lens for this Nikon, but it's probably not going to happen, honestly, because this one's good enough. I mean, the kit lens, it's fine. You don't get a lot of zoom, but I don't need a lot of zoom. Apparently there was a seal in the water, but it's way down there, and I'm not gonna try and run to catch up to it, but it's a pretty good set. I think I got it on the time lapse that I just did, but we'll see. Alright, we made it on the pier to park, basically, because this whole area is like the main square, so everything's all crazy. But we're gonna go to a restaurant and eat dinner because we are all hungry. I put my sweater on because I was told it's supposed to be cold later, so we'll see how true that stands, because after we eat, we're gonna walk around the square and explore this area. It seems like they're booked full, so we're gonna see if we can get a seat, but if not, we'll just go somewhere else. I mean, there's a million steakhouses in this area, so it's kind of like their main street here. You got all the cool attractions and restaurants and anything you could want. So alright, we sat down in this nice little sandwich shop here. I got a chicken parm sandwich, Michael did too. So now we're just waiting, and then after this we'll try to look for an ice cream place of some sort. Alright, so box to lunch here in Massachusetts is pretty good. So we're gonna try and find ice cream now. Every good meal needs dessert, so we're on our way now. think we found our spot here at Lewis Brothers Homemade Ice Cream. See how it is. All right, we just finished visiting everything that we wanted to see in Provincetown. So this will be the end of the vlog. If you guys liked it, make sure to give it a like and subscribe. I'll see you guys tomorrow for our last episode. That will be in Martha's Vineyard tomorrow, so stay tuned.
That one might just